are on the sky lift. It's kind of scary. It's just like a ski lift. So round trip ride. Look at all the pretty lights.
I want a Kit Kat.
Well, no, we're in the Reese Cup one.
Yeah, Reese. I'm on the Hershey Kiss.
I know. Look. Woo!
I'm nervous. I actually never been on one before.
You're nervous? You never been on one like this?
No, I'm scared.
We are going up high. I wonder how Daddy is handling. Daddy and Daniel are up in the one ahead of us. It says Hershey candy bar in the back. I wonder how Daddy's handling this height thing. Because it's kind of rocking a little bit.
I'm not okay.
You're not okay? I gotcha. We're good.
I'm nervous.
See, everybody's coming back good. Isn't it beautiful?
Whoa.
Oh, look, we get to go down there. And then we go back down. We're going to go back down in a minute. We got to come back up, but there's the Noel.
What's Noel?
It's a music type of, it's like every 15 minutes.
Please the roller coaster doesn't come on. Please.
Oh, because we're going right over a roller coaster, huh?
I'm nervous. It's going to kill us.
No, we're good. Gotta believe in Jesus and our big angels are going to protect us. It's beautiful up here with all the lights. We're rocking a little bit, so hopefully the camera's not getting too sick. I gotta make sure I don't drop it either.
In the water.
Yep, now we're getting ready to go over the water, guys. There's a little swings going on. Oh, I hear some ducks in the background. The light.
I'm like a kitty. I'm so scared of water.
You're like a kitty?
I'm kind of scared of heights. That's why I don't go.
Yeah, this is kind of high. I wonder how Daddy's doing. How you doing up there?
Hey, Mama. Hey, Derek.
Doing good?
What's up?
Derek's got thumbs down over here.
Uh-oh. So does Daniel.
Daniel's got thumbs down too. Good thing we don't have any Crocs on. Oh, I wish the little harbor thingy here was doing its music thing. They do it every 15 minutes.
No.
And the lights come on and off with the sound of music.
No.
Just means we gotta do it again. Right, guys? We need to do this again when the lights are going on and off.
It's not too bad.
It's not too bad. We're starting to come down now.
Get us turning up here.
Get you turning around. I'm running out of power.
So why we came over because we're going to teacups. And right behind us is a Twizzlers.
Twizzler car.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's teacups
That's a
over.
Reese's car.
We still got to turn around and go back.
I know.
Yep. It's quiet over here. I don't know if they're not running all of these roller coasters or not.
Good.
Derek's excited they're not running the roller coasters. Oh, look, there's some lights underneath of us that aren't on.
Ooh.
Oh, there's a lot of lights that aren't on. All right, we're going to get Daddy and Daniel in a minute.
How do we go?
Oh, we got to turn around and go the other direction. It's a round trip. Let's see if we can get Daddy coming over in a minute. Hi, Daddy!
It's not too bad.
I just flashed the camera at us. Hey.
I'm in the middle. It's not too bad.
Oh, now we're getting ready to turn. Getting ready to turn. Oh, is the music coming on?
Yeah.
For all the lights? All the lights are off. Let's see.
Hey! Are you listening? Slow as listening. A beautiful sight. We're happy tonight. Walking away to Wonderland.
Enjoy the music and the lights.
Why do we go back?
They dropped us off down there.
Mom, it turns on. On the trees.
We're over top of the river now. Oh, you can hear the train in the background.
I don't know what it's going to be. Oh yeah. So right there, if you see the chocolate and the Reese's, everyone the Reese's, the Hershey kit's broken. It's just on the seat, so that's why no one's gonna on it. I thought no one's gonna on it because it was too low. I thought they were like the high ones, but broken. I love the lights.
Now turn on and off to the music.
I don't want to do this. I really don't. Why did they put this down above a roller coaster?
I'm sure it's safe if they did it that way.
Someone's gonna fall and then land on a roller coaster. Why do you want to do this? Oh, I thought if you turn around that leads to the I thought that leads to that door. I thought that leads to keep that teeth cups. That's what I thought it was. That's what I thought though.
So we've stopped probably to help somebody get on or off. There's a couple ahead of us that had a broken foot or something. So we are going to say goodbye. Thanks for joining us, Sky, on Jubilee. I can't even say what our name is.
Jubilee.
Joyous Jubilee. Ah! I'll get it right, and then I'll change the name, I'm sure. No, I'm kidding, I won't. All right, guys. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Shalom, Happy Hanukkah, Happy
Christmas.
Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas. We love you guys. Thank you guys for joining us.
Do you know what's scared and you really want to go on this? Why is he